Hello. If you're into e-biking, you're probably aware that Specialized is currently the market leader. Now, I've already tried the Levo Turbo, which is trail orientated, and for me the suspension was a bit lacking. So I've decided to try the more downhill focused Kenevo Expert, which is the top of the range. Let's see what I found out. So I've ridden both the Levo and the Kenevo from the Specialized e-mountain bike range, and without doubt I can say that the Kenevo is leagues ahead. The powerful motor on the Kenevo makes up hills a breeze.
Going up! This is meant to be a downhill bike.
The whole day out becomes a smile fest. Honestly, just thinking about a Kenevo Expert makes me smile. It is that much fun. The battery system and the way it's integrated into the frame make it look really slick. There's a small control on the handlebars to move up and down from eco, trail and turbo modes. Just underneath is a walk assist mode. Now the Kenevo comes with Öhlins rear shock and lyric forks. The suspension on the Kenevo is amazing. It's the plushest ride you will ever have. In fact, it's so impressive, it ultimately turns you into Superman, because the combination of powerful motor and long travel suspension makes you try things you just never would have ordinarily dared. On that same superhero theme, you can get it in a matte black, gloss black combination, which Batman will be proud of. The position on the bike is really good for blasting downhill. So, the controversial Woo post, Specialized new dropper and tilt seat post. In my testing I found it just didn't drop low enough out of the way, so it's probably more problem than it's actually worth. The brakes are really good. I've been riding mountain bikes now for nearly 30 years, and I can say without a doubt the Kenevo Expert is the most fun I've ever had on two wheels. The Kenevo or Kenevo? Kenevo or Kenevo? I'm not sure whether it's Kenevo or Kenevo, depending on who you talk to. The Kenevo Expert. Levo, Kenevo.